Deadly haul, explosives and high-powered rifles seized in Tivoli Gardens. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, be decisive. Private sector leaders tell Tourism Ministry to take steps to curtail fallout from rape allegations at resorts.
Pay them more. FLA boss calls for better compensation for his staff.
Exchange rate versus inflation targeting. Economists debate the new BOJ policy.
Charged alleged Klansman leader Tesha Miller to face murder charges.
And in business news, closing down Scotia Group to shut the locations of its very first branch in Jamaica.
There's also sports, commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, are you confident in the Bank of Jamaica's management of the economy?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.